Super excited to share this video with you guys. I've never shared this with anybody before. This is my secret weapon on how I uncover high authority keywords that have virtually no competition. The only way you can do this, to my knowledge, is with the Helium 10 Cerebro tool. It's this right here, this reverse ASIN lookup tool. This is a super powerful tool, and it's amazing that we even have this available in our tool belt, if you ask me. So here we go. I clicked on Cerebro. What we're going to do, how we use this for this strategy here, is I will go to Amazon. I will type in workout glove. I will click on this guy. Okay, remember where the ASIN number is up here. Control C, Control V, copy the ASIN in there, and hit reverse search. New search. Again, keep these settings the same. Amazon.com as well as organic results. Now, this tool spits back all of the top keyword rankings for our main competitor right here. Extremely useful knowledge. See right here, position rank. So workout gloves for CrossFit, they are #1. And as you can see, they're #1 for many keywords. These guys are crushing it. Okay. That's beside the point. What we now need to do is come over here to this competing products column. We want to sort by competing products, because what we're doing here for this strategy, and there's many ways you can use this tool, but for this strategy, we're trying to uncover the keywords that have the lowest demand in comparison to their exact phrase search volume, aka their demand, right? It's the lowest competition in comparison to their demand. So let's sort. The lower the competing products, the better. Let's see what we get. So here we go. So we have it in from top to bottom, from most competition to the least. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip down. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and sort it the other way. Be easier for us. So these are the least competitive keywords. Okay. Now what you want to just keep an eye on is the competing products in relationship to this column right here, the exact phrase search volume. And there will be a few outliers that you notice that you just cannot pass up. So let's go down the list here. Remember, your eye is constantly pivoting between those two columns. So this one automatically shoots out. This is a brand name, but let's just disregard the keyword right now for this example. 477 searches a month, 14 competing products. Meaning, if you sell 1 per day, or if you sell 8 units total, okay, for this one keyword, you're going to be ranked on page 1. Again, extremely low competition in comparison to the search volume. Let's keep going. All right. And again, if it's all brand dominated, you want to pretty much always ignore the brands. Here's an interesting one, right? So 225 searches may not seem like a lot, but what if you had 30 of these keywords that were 225? Now it adds up. All these really long tail obscure keywords can add up, really add up. And not only that, but it provides diversity for your product. If you have a product that's only ranked on the top of the first page for your main keyword, well, what happens in a doomsday scenario event if you somehow lose ranking for that keyword and you're not ranked for any other keywords? You're going to completely lose all sales. I like to have a lot of diversity, a wide net of keyword ranking, so I can stay relevant. But again, let's take a look at it. This is a Spanish keyword. Spanish keywords are interesting. Spanish keywords are a good opportunity because they provide a surprisingly amount of high search volume from my calculation and very little competition. 225 searches, 33 competing products, that's nothing. You literally need to give away a few units, or just sell a few units at full price. You don't have to give away to get ranked at the top of the page. How would you do that without giveaways? Well, sponsored ads, right? Sponsored ads certainly would be the best way to go about it. Let's keep going down and try to find another, shall we? Here's Nike. I'm going to stay away from that. Some of the keywords will be totally irrelevant. Here's another Spanish keyword, 337. Okay. Very few competing products, 49 competing products. Money keyword right here. Let's keep going. Orange Theory Hare monitor, interesting. Okay, let's just keep going. Let's do one more page. I think you guys pretty much get the gist of where I'm going. I'll cover one more page. Waddies, CrossFit gloves. I assume that's probably a brand. I know WOD is a common CrossFit term. It's like workout of the day or something. I'm not really too familiar with that cult, but I do know that's what it stands for. Let's see. Harbinger is a big brand. Even this right here, weightlifting gloves men. 104 exact searches, 60 competing products. Crazy. Let's go down one. Let's go down a little bit more. Look at this. Spanish, more money Spanish keywords. This one has almost 1,100 searches. That's substantial. Now we're talking substantial. Okay, 69 competing products. That's insane. You have to sell very, very few units to get ranked. Again, this is the low-hanging fruit, guys. This is low-hanging, easy pickings as far as I'm concerned. And you know how we structure those URLs. You know that we can laser target any keyword that we want, like an American sniper. You know that we could also generate a sale for a specific keyword with a sponsored ad. You have many routes you can go down to achieve the ranking result. So I'm glad we covered this video. This is this unique tactic that I uncovered using the Cerebro tool within Helium 10. Yet another reason why Helium 10 is the best software for your Amazon business. Have a good day, guys.